Okay, hello class 8. So here's a new chapter for you all. Okay, and the chapter's name is Endocrine System in page number 75. So turn to page number 75 and please refer your text also. Okay, so you can see the picture here, GIF here. You can see, okay, this system, okay, is known as endocrine system. Okay, now you need to know what is endocrine system. Okay, so we are going to discuss that. uh, in human beings, you all know that control and coordination takes place in two ways. You all know, no? One is by nervous coordination, the nervous system, and another one is by chemical coordination. Okay, chemical coordination is done by the endocrine system. So nervous system, you have done that in the earlier classes also, hope you all remember. So these two systems are responsible to control and coordinate the body activities. Alright. So here in this chapter you will be studying about chemical coordination. Okay, and this chemical coordination, they are brought about by special glands which are known as endocrine glands. Okay, now you can see here, these are the main important glands, endocrine glands. Okay, so you all know that in all the higher organism, okay, this system, it consists of glands and hormones. These special glands, they produce chemical substances known as hormones. Okay, you can see here the male and the female is there, no? The different glands there you can see. One is the pituitary gland, okay, then the thyroid gland, you can see. Okay, thyroid also, there are two types, thyroid and parathyroid gland, you can see. Then the adrenal gland, pancreas, the ovaries and the testes. These ovaries and the testes, they come under gonads. Okay, so these are the major or important endocrine glands that we are going to study in this chapter. Okay, so in order, you all know that these glands, they produce hormones. Now you should know what are hormones. Okay, hormones are chemical substances. They are secreted in a very little amount by these glands, endocrine glands, and they regulate biological process in living organisms. Okay, so you know what hormones are now. Yes, so these hormones, they have different characteristics. Okay, so these hormones are very specific in their functions. The function is to regulate biological processes in your body. Okay, these hormones, they are transported by the bloodstream to different targeted organs. Remember all these characteristics, you should know. Okay, these glands are known as endocrine glands. Okay, now the hormones producing glands, they are known as endocrine glands. Okay, the small amount of these hormones, they are very effective for performing various processes in our body, within our body. Okay, and these hormones, they are directly poured into the bloodstream. Okay, they are not carried, they are not carried by ducts. They are ductless glands, remember that. They do not have any ducts here. Okay, they are secreted in the by the cells, and they are directly transferred to the directly into the into the bloodstreams. Okay, so you'll be seeing the picture there. Okay, then they act on the specific target organs. Okay, and after performing their action, they are excreted by the kidney in the form of urine. So excess amount, they are excreted out. Okay, so now in order to understand this, the hormonal control and the nervous control, let's discuss the difference there. Okay, they are, you all know, one nervous system and the other one is hormonal system, endocrine system. Okay, one produces hormones and the other one, due to impulses, messages and all, no, it controls your body. Okay, so we are going to discuss. First, let's discuss only about the hormonal control. Okay, these hormones, they regulate metabolism and growth of the body. Okay, it is responses is very slow here, okay, and its effect is long lasting, okay, and affects the different organs, okay. Hormones get transported through blood to the targeted organ, remember that. Now I'm going to talk about the nervous control. You all know nervous control or the nervous system, it does not control the metabolism of your body, no. Then the response is very fast, quick, very speedy. Yes, the effect is only for short time, okay, short lived, and affects the particular muscles or the glands, okay. And impulses, you all know, it carries, the nervous system, it carries messages, impulses, okay. So impulses are transmitted through the nerve fibers, okay. Hello classic. So today's topic for you all is endocrine glands in human beings. So the previous video, that was introduction. I hope you all went through it. Okay, and you know what are the endocrine glands, the main endocrine glands in human beings. Now we are going to discuss this in detail. Okay, you all came to know that. You all might know now. Okay, there are special glands, okay, that produces hormones for the proper functioning of your body, metabolic activities in your body. Okay, so the main important glands, okay, in a human body are thyroid gland, adrenal gland, pituitary, and the pancreas. So today we are going to discuss about the hormones they produce, what do they do, and where they are located, and what are the disease or the disorders that are caused by them when they are not found in a body in a balanced amount. Always remember that these glands they produce chemical substances which are known as hormones, and these hormones they should be in a balanced amount in a body. If it is secreted in larger amount, okay, they are known as over secretion, or they are also known as hyper secretion, okay. And if they are produced in lesser amount, they are known as under secretion, or they are known as hyper secretion. And these under and hyper secretion of these hormones, they causes different disorders in our body. So we are going to discuss that. Now first, just we are going to discuss about thyroid gland. Okay, so first thing you need to remember is the hormones that are produced by these glands. You can see thyroid gland, they produce hormone which is known as thyroxine. Okay, it is also known as iodine containing hormone or iodine stimulating hormone. Okay, and its main function of this hormone is to control all the metabolic function of your body, all the metabolic activities that are going in your body, and also it controls growth. Okay, and where is it located now? Its location is in your throat region. Okay, it is located in your throat. Okay, then suppose this thyroxine, it is secreted in lesser amount. It is known as hyposecretion. Okay, and if this hormone, thyroxine hormone, is lesser in amount, is secreted in less amount in your body, you will be suffering, or the person will be suffering from diseases known as goiter. Okay, goiter, your people, it is due to lack of iodine in your body, in your blood. Okay, so here the symptoms here you can see the swelling of your throat, no? Abnormality in your throat. Okay, here the cretinism, here it occurs usually in a young children. Okay, in children it occurs in small young children. Here what happens here? The child will not have a proper growth, development of its body structure. Okay, so it is called as cretinism. And myxedema occurs in old people. Okay, here they have this figured structures in the body, and they are very slow, sluggish in nature. Okay, so these are the three disorders that are caused due to less amount of secretion of thyroxine in your body. That is known as hyposecretion. Okay, and now hyposecretion, what happens if this thyroxine is secreted in large amount? Okay, so oversecretion is known as hyperthyroidism. Okay, hyperthyroidism. Okay, and it causes abnormal growth of your body. Okay, you start growing your body structures, it grows differently. Different structures. Okay, large amount of secretion causes abnormal growth in your body. Okay, gigantism and all. Okay, and again, the next gland is the adrenal gland. Okay, it produces the hormone known as adrenaline. Okay, it also produces other hormones. Okay, aldosterone and cortisol. Okay, among this, adrenaline, it is known as emergency hormone. Okay, or it is also known as fight and flight hormone. Okay, emergency, it helps you to when you face different emergency, different kind of emergency situation and all, you come back to your original. So all this is done with the help of adrenal hormone. Okay, it helps you to react in emergency situations. Okay, so yeah. Also, its main function is to energize the body. It gives you energy to return back to your original situation. Okay. Then aldosterone, it controls salt level in your blood. All minerals, vitamins, salt, sugar, every water, everything should be in a balanced amount. Okay. So this aldosterone, it controls the salt level in your blood. Okay. And cortisol, it maintains sugar level in your blood. Okay, and this location, it is fitted like a cap above each kidney. You have two kidneys, so it is present above the kidneys. Okay, it fits like a cap there. Okay, and it causes hypertension. If it is secreted in larger amount, it causes hypertension. Okay, that is a disorder. Okay, now number one is the pituitary gland. Okay, pituitary gland, it is also known as the master gland because this gland controls all the other three glands. Okay, that is why it is known as master gland. Okay, so this master gland or the pituitary gland, it produces three hormones here. Okay, they are thyroid stimulating hormone, okay, follicle stimulating hormone, and growth hormone. Okay, so this thyroid stimulating hormone is also known as TSH, follicle stimulating hormone, FSH, and growth hormone, GH. Okay, please do not get confused. So now this thyroid stimulating hormone stimulates thyroxine production. Okay, and follicle stimulating hormone stimulates the production of sperms in male, the male gametes. Okay, in the males. And growth hormone, it controls the growth of the body in an organism. Okay, it is located, now location, it is located at the base of your brain, this portion, base of your brain. Okay, and now the disorders that are caused due to the hypo or hyposecretion, you can see dwarfism. If it is secreted in lesser amount hyposecretion, it is, the disorder here is dwarfism. Okay, and if this these hormones are produced in larger amount or in excess amount or oversecretion, gigantism. The person will be suffering from gigantism. Okay, the last one is the pancreas. So this pancreas, okay, is a gland which is made up of cells, a cluster of cells. Okay, that cells are known as acids of Langerhans. Okay, so it is made up of alpha, beta, and gamma. Okay, you studied that in detail in later classes. Okay, so this pancreas is made up of cluster of cells which is known as acids of Langerhans. Okay, so this pancreas, it secretes two special hormones which is known as insulin, okay, and the other one is glucagon. Okay, so insulin, what is the function of it? Is to keep a balance of the sugar level. Okay, so here insulin, it lowers the blood sugar level, and this glucagon, it increases the blood sugar level in your body. So you have heard about diabetes, diabetes mellitus. What that is? The person suffering from diabetes, if he suffering his blood sugar level will be very, very high in his blood. So that is due to lower secretion secretion of insulin. So insulin, you all know, its main function is to control it, lowers the blood sugar level. The person whose the cell, this beta cell is not working, will not be able to produce insulin. Okay, so if insulin is produced less in your body, what happens? Your sugar level will rise in your body. Okay, so that is known as diabetes mellitus. Okay, hypersecretion of insulin causes diabetes mellitus. And low zinc hyper. Now, if this insulin is secreted in larger amount, what happens now? Person, what happens if the body starts secreting large amount of insulin in the body? Obviously, the sugar level will go down. So, what happens then? It causes insulin shock. Okay, it's also known as low. It causes low blood sugar level in your body. So, this is what about the endocrine glands, its location, function, the hormones that are produced. Okay, so you need to go this in detail and please refer your textbook when you are going to this video. Hope you have understood, and thus the video that has already been said. So refer the diagrams in order to understand this. Okay, so thank you so much.